Reading in different types from a file is exactly the same as what we did with the normal cin. So every one of these pieces of code, if I were to replace in file with cin, then hey, then looks familiar, right? It's exactly the same way as what we would have done it. And then reading in from a line is exactly what we had with cin, but this time we're using in file to grab that information from the file. So all this is exactly the same. Also, which might save you a little bit of code, if you want to read multiple values at the same time, or at least on the same line of code, you can just use the angle brackets, just kind of like you would have with cin too. So all this should look extremely familiar, but we're just doing it from a file. By the way, notice the angle brackets is also telling us what direction that we're reading in from. So we're reading in from a file and then placing that material into our variable getInt. This is going to look familiar going the other way here in a moment.